Welcome to my workplace, a Nordic institute for research on regional development and planning, located in the heart of Stockholm since 1997.
Come on in.
But first, where are we situated? We're located on Skeppsholmen Island. It's right in the middle of the city. We have the water surrounding us, beautiful nature, many different museums, an art school, lovely neighbors. And you can even catch a ferry to and from work.
These are some of our maps. We're very proud of our map team here at Nordregio. The GIS team creates these as a way to illustrate our research and the data that we collect. There is an elevator here somewhere. Now we're going to look at our main meeting room. Some would say it's the heart of the place. In here we do our all-staff meetings, we have conferences here, and we also have occasional Christmas or Halloween parties here too. On the walls here we also have major naval battles that took place, which Sweden won, some of them against our Nordic neighbors. So it's nice now that we're here sharing knowledge and creating bonds rather than conflict in this house instead.
This building was inaugurated as the Royal Swedish Naval Academy in 1879. The building once used to train naval officers is now a place where new knowledge and Nordic cooperation shape the future.
Now let's check out the rest of the house. Now we're going to what I would consider the heart of the place, the coffee machine. I like my coffee black. We have very good coffee here actually. Options. As you can tell, this is where the action takes place. This is some of our archives. And as you can tell, we've done a lot over the years. Let's go to the library. Here's where we like to hang out and do fikas, or gather the colleagues, or sit in small groups. You see the continuation of all of our work behind here. This is actually our major report that we produce every other year, State of the Nordic region. You should look it up. Let's go check out some offices where the work behind these take place.
We're an international and multidisciplinary team, which makes it really inspiring and dynamic for research to thrive.
And this is the waterfront offices. They're the best ones. Hi Vitor. So this is Vitor, our senior project manager in statistics. We'll leave you to it.
Thank you.
And let's check out our studio that we have here. And let's see if it's open. Yes. All right, welcome. Here is where we do our webinars. We do them maybe every 3 weeks or something. It's mainly when we have launched a report, we launched our policy recommendations, and we want to reach our target audiences across the Nordic regions and beyond. Moderating over here. Here is where my communications colleagues are running all the technical stuff. We love our studio. I think this is it. So thank you so much for joining me on this house tour, and hope to see you here in person one day. Hej då!